Hi, this is New Year's Goals, part 1, 2, and 3. This is video 3. Part 1 was nourish, part 2 was plan, and then part 3 is going to be celebrate. So celebrating that you've made it to 2025 and celebrate with food. There is a part of food that's very emotional and can be very celebratory. What can be emotional eating that's destructive is when there's a side of guilt with it or shame, or it's done in secret. So emotional eating that isn't shared with others, that harbors secret emotions, or before the party you go through the fast food and you don't want anyone to see, so you throw the receipt out or you hide the food, or if you're caught eating a snack in front of someone that you love, you're embarrassed. That can be emotional eating that is actually really harmful, and that can be really cyclical, and it has to do with a lot of emotional dysregulation. So if you're suffering from that, you're not alone. There's a lot of people in that camp. The New Year's can have this, I should be getting healthy, but I'm not. And then that guilt and shame leads to the cycle of emotional eating. If your emotions are really attached to food, there's a lot of frameworks, there's a lot of healing that needs to happen on a nervous system level, on an intuitive level, to get back to your hunger and fullness cues. So food, if it's not done in celebration, there's an enjoyment piece that is missing, as we are meant to enjoy our food. So make sure if you're stepping into the new year with lots of goals, that there is a celebratory component. Okay, hope this helps. If this is serving to you, like and subscribe.